up there, fam? It's your boy Tote here with another video, guys. It's been a minute, but I'm back. We're gonna be doing here a little installation for this 2007 Grand Marquis, guys. We're gonna be upgrading these stock bulbs to some LED bulbs here, provided by NOVSIGHT. They always come in clutch with some LEDs, and they always send out this fire ass tag. But yeah, we got these H13s, also 9007s. These are gonna be your low beams and your high beams for your headlights, because if you can tell, these only come with one bulb. So these are gonna be both your high and low beams. But yeah, we're gonna do this installation together. I've never done an installation on a Grand Marquis, so we're gonna be doing this together. Hopefully it's not too hard, but yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so this is where we're at. We ended up taking 3 8mm bolts from here down there. You can see right there, 2 and 3. And then you're gonna take off 2 11mm bolts on the side, 1 and 2. The side ones are pretty hard to get off, but as long as you got a little ratchet, that should be pretty easy. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this housing outwards, and we're gonna probably push this one, yep, like this, out of the way. So in order to get this one out, you gotta push down on the bumper just a little bit, and then just pry this whole housing out. I can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to pause the video real quick. All right, guys, so we got the housing out. Here's the bulb. You're gonna have to twist this part that way to get it off. Now we just gotta unplug it, plug the new one in, and that should be it for this side. We are gonna do one side at a time so you guys can see it before and after. And then before we put everything back inside, you guys always want to make sure it turns on. So we're gonna plug this in, test the light, make sure it turns on. If it turns on, then we'll put everything back together, and then I'll show you guys a side by side before and after, and then we'll do that side, and then I'll show you guys a night test. There it is, turns on, guys. You can see this side's yellow, this side's white. It has the little fan that's turned on and everything, so that's good. It's a good sign. Now it's time to put everything back together in reverse and then do the other side. Alright, guys, got this side back on. All 3 bolts in and the 2 side ones. Time to do this side. I'm just gonna give you guys a real quick before and after with the headlight in. As you can tell, it's already 10 times brighter. This one you can barely tell it's on, and this one's already on. It looks a little blue in the video, but it's more white. But yeah, at night we'll be able to see how bright they are. As you can tell, right now you can't really see the beam on the floor or anything because it's daylight. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do this side, and then pretty sure it's just gonna cut to us being at night and show you guys the light test at night. Alright, guys, this is a night test for the LEDs. Here's the LEDs off. Here's the low beams. And here are the high beams. Once again, off. On. Here's at a closer target. Off. On. High beams. So they are pretty bright, guys. And this is through tint. If you guys saw the video from the daytime, you guys can see that I have tint on the windshield. So that's tint from the inside. So you can only imagine how much more bright it is from the outside. But yeah, guys, that's today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The link will be down in the description, and if they give me a discount code, it'll also be down there. So make sure to check that out, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.
Subscribe to NOVSIGHT.
Perfect.